I'm incredibly relieved to have gotten rid of my 2022 Exeed TXL 1.6T, which gave me endless trouble during my ownership. I was plagued by a series of minor and serious malfunctions. Among the recurring problems were: the surround view cameras repeatedly leaked and failed. This happened 5 times. The air conditioner radiator fan was replaced 5 times due to a design flaw in the speed regulator. From the day I bought it, the front suspension arms were hitting the subframe. I had to replace the bushings myself, as the dealer refused to acknowledge the knocking sound. The panoramic sunroof constantly squeaked. The front brake discs warped and needed to be replaced by just 10,000 kilometers. The adaptive cruise control was essentially useless, as the radar would constantly show an error. The dealer couldn't reproduce the fault and refused to fix it. Beyond the problems themselves, I was extremely disappointed with the dealership. Each time, they told me I was the only one with such issues, even though all these failures are common for this model. The final straw was the warranty situation. The dealer informed me that the warranty on my 2022 car, purchased in 2023, would expire in August 2025, even though the official term is 7 years or 200,000 kilometers. The Exeed representative admitted the dealer made a registration error, but said they couldn't fix it because that dealer lost its accreditation. They told me I would have to prove my warranty status every time I visited a different dealer, which I found unacceptable. In the end, I decided not to sue. I simply sold the car, as I had no energy or time left for the fight. Exeed is no longer an option for me.